What's up, people? Back at it again. Another G35X video. Today we have this right here. Can anybody know what this? Does anybody know what this is? Yep, the oil cooler. So mine's, you see that dot right there? Already leaking. Look at how terrible that is. It's bent up. I got this motor, JDM motor, I guess. And I should have saw this before I left, but it's all bent up and this is leaking. So I went ahead and got another one. It doesn't seem too difficult. I might have to get something to, cause I just did an oil change on the car. So I'm gonna take this filter off, put a container here so I could save that oil and put it back. The oil's like still fresh. I'm not about to do a whole oil change for no reason. It looks like it's pretty simple. This hose here, take the filter off, maybe take this alternator bracket off. Maybe take this alternator bracket off, these two bolts, one here, one there. I think these are 12s. So that gives me space to this other hose that's up top. You guys see that hose up there? Yeah. Get you a container or get you something that holds oil, man. Just something simple. Got this off Amazon, real cheap. So let's take this oil out. And of course I tighten the mess out of this thing. All right, I gotta use both my hands. Dog, I don't know why that filter was so tight. I had to use these and loosen it up, guys. So I don't know. I thought I hand tightened it and it got like welded on there somehow. Amazing. Still tight as shit. Come on. Okay, this is the first step. Take this damn filter off. Oh, doing all that, making a mess. Now that the filter's off, we're gonna take this hose off the bottom. Take that one off first. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna have to take this bracket out. This is two 12s, I believe. All right, I'm gonna take this bracket off, take this bottom hose out, okay? Get some pliers for that. Once I take this bracket off, I'll have access to this other hose up here. And then we'll take this piece out right here. This ball. Like I said, these are size 12s. Take this one out. I already loosened them up. Now that you have that bracket off, all right, you see how much space you have here? So you got to take that clamp off. That hose will come out. And then this bottom hose will come out. I'm pretty sure coolant is gonna come out of here. So make sure you got a container, man, so you can catch that coolant, all right? I'm about to do it now. I'm gonna take this one off first, so then all the coolant can just come down. You're gonna have to add it, or hopefully it doesn't all come out. I might just get a container to hold the antifreeze in, because I'm not trying to have to buy no new antifreeze. All this stuff is good on this car. All this stuff is fresh. So I'm gonna get a container, take this bottom hose out, and then just drain all the water out of there. So as soon as I pull this thing, it's over with. There it goes. There it goes. I'm gonna have to bleed the whole system again. Great. I hate bleeding this car, bro. It's a pain in the ass. I mean, all the coolant's gonna come out. Fantastic. Get yourself a smaller set of pliers and you could fit it in here, okay? I already took it off, but it helps you get it easier. Take this bolt out here. It's a size 22, okay? 22, loosen that up. And it should come right out. Okay, this bolt was not tight at all, so make sure you check the torque specs on that. Here it is, removed. You got that top hose out, got the bottom one out, bolt in the middle, she comes right out. Hey, make sure that you change that gasket right there. I already got a new one. Not playing around. If you don't change that gasket, bro, you're just gonna have problems for yourself. So change the gasket and then literally put this in reverse order, guys. I think it's 36 foot-pounds, okay? 36 foot-pounds. When I try to do it without the extension, I can't because this bar is like in the way. So get you a little extension, find a comfortable spot for it, like so. You see that? Tighten it down to 36 foot-pounds, and we should be good. Is that on 36 or what? There we go, 36. Once you have your hose up here nice and connected, go ahead and put this bracket back on here, okay, for the alternator. This little side with this lip on it goes here, and then you go ahead and get the other side on and you tighten it down. All right, and then you should be pretty much done.